Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of Django tutorial. You're learning Django with Learner. So now we are going to talk about what today's topic is CRUD users with Django admin.py. So we are going to talk about, we have already seen about creating the users. Now we'll be talking about updating, creating and deleting members from the GUI. So very simple, these are very simple things. It's like more based on the GUI. So very quickly I go to the PyCharm in my server is running, so I press Control C to stop it, and then I run it again using py manage.py run server. So once my server is up and running, what I have to do is I have to be here on that side, and to reach the admin, what I need to do is put a slash and put an admin and hit enter. So here I'm on the admin side. It gives you the recent actions list here as well, which you can see my actions, what I've done. I've created a user, I've deleted a user. But I'll take you to the part here, which is my demos. And in my demos, you see that these are the items. These are the 5 users that have been added. So now, if you want to edit any one of them, I can, but I'll just start first with the adding it. So I say add, and I add I click on save, and the moment I click on save, I found that the error is there. So I come here and I change it to Arun. That's my typing mistake. So I click on that and I can save it. So this is how I can create and update a value, and it is showing me that what I've updated. And then I think, or I want that somebody should delete a value as well. So I want Sita to be deleted, so I can check here and then go here and say delete. So I can click on go, and that is where it is confirming. And once I confirm, Sita has been deleted. The other way to delete is if I go into part of Radha and to edit it, but then I have a delete button, so I can click on the delete. It gives me here that whether I want to delete it or not. But at this moment, I realize that I don't want to delete Radha. So I say no, take me back. So I say I don't want to do anything there. So I say just save, and it comes out. And this is how Radha is not being deleted. So these were the simple actions where I showed you that how you can edit, you can create a new one, you can update it up a value, and you can delete as well. So with that, we have come to the end of our session on this part of today. So I thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. To contact me, write in YouTube comments or email to devklearner@gmail.com. Have a wonderful day ahead.